Hi, my name's Nathan from HINDSITE Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to call other HINDSITE users within the platform. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm here on the calls page, and I can call individual people, I can conduct a group call, or I can create a call link which can be shared and accessed at any time. To call a single person, I can just find their name in the list, or I can search for their name in the search bar here. To start a group call, click the group call button and then just select the people that you'd like to join and click the call icon on the top left. To schedule a call, click the schedule call button, select the workspace that you'd like the call to be recorded to, and then copy the link to the clipboard to share by email, calendar invite, or any other messaging service. The same call link can be reused as many times as you need. Now remember that all calls are automatically saved within HINDSITE. They can be accessed over in the content area. I'll click on the content page, I go advanced search, and then I would click include calls. That's it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our customer success team.